Hi, welcome to DWM again. Now, one of the things I was thinking is it's not nice. I mean by that, it's all black, and I really do like to see my new wallpaper. And it's already documented so many times, but here we go once more. Super Shift Enter. It's gonna work great on real metal, but in a VirtualBox environment, you need to say to PICOM.conf, open it with an editor like type in Ctrl F, do VirtualBox, and then you'll find here Super F. That's vertical synchronization. This breaks transparency in VirtualBox. VSync is true. Put a hashtag in front of it. Ctrl Save Super F. Super Q. Let's quit this guy and Ctrl T. All black, right? And now I do Ctrl Alt O and O. You see the difference? Let's kill some things. Let's get rid of that. Ctrl T and another Ctrl T. It goes now on top of each other, but there you go, next to each other. So it's not that difficult, but it's again a drag. You have to do it manually every time you're in VirtualBox. So often I just keep it black. But of course, in presentation wise, it's gonna be looking much better if we are actually looking through and having a look at the new wallpaper. All right, that's just for Compton. And so Compton is here. Well, actually, another great tip. Arco DWM, here it is, right? The heart of DWM. Right mouse click, open terminal, PT Compton. I would like you to learn the command PT. And if for whatever reason, if you're on ArcoLinux D, if you're on ArcoLinux B, and on ArcoLinux and so on, we have this particular thing that's called, I have to think again, because it's not the regular name, the platinum underscore and so on, that one. So yay platinum, remember that. You can always download it with from AUR, but we of course have it on our systems. Now I can say give me everything concerning Compton, but remember Compton is the old name, right? And PICOM is the new name, so search for them both. And you'll see that there is a PICOM toggle. There is something to toggle it on and off. There is a keyboard shortcut in here, the sexy hotkey demon, and there is the auto start, so it gets started. If it does not get started, maybe there's a typo or anything like it, you forgot to do something, you named it Compton, it should be PICOM and stuff like that. But it's an easy way to remember and to search. This is what we use all the time. It's on our, as we call the flagship, XFC OpenBox i3. That's where we work. And the PT command is super easy. It easily gives me an overview. Where is the word coming? What reference, what file? The green lines are the files. And I just go to them. I say, okay, it's inside here. Oh yeah, true. When I open this thing, PICOM is there. And that's how easy it is. All right, guys, just about transparency, just about Compton and or PICOM, and that's it.